We've had your students here for the last year, and we're going to get them back now. Isn't this an awesome class of December 2022?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Vanessa Gaylord. Please do yours first. Then I can come after.
Oh, good morning, family, friends, and faculty. My name is Vanessa Gaylor, and I'm pleased and honored to introduce our guest speaker, Dr. Walter Lawrence Penniman. Dr. Penniman has worked in healthcare for over 25 years. His areas of specialty are mental health and healthcare informatics. He obtained both his master's and doctoral degrees from Loma Linda University. His passion lies with the underserved population of our community, ensuring their quality of care in the healthcare environment. He has served as a clinical instructor and a lecturer in the Psychiatric Technician program here at San Bernardino Valley College. He currently serves in the position of clinical coordinator and recruiter for our program. At this time, let's give a warm and inviting welcome to Dr. Walter L. Penniman.
Thank you very much, Vanessa. I'd like to take a moment to just commend Vanessa. All of her communications with me were done in such a professional manner. These are the types of students that our college is putting out, so I want to thank you very much. I'm going to be speaking to the graduates, but you're welcome to listen in. I'm honored to be your guest speaker today. I've had the opportunity to work with many of you as you've embarked upon this educational pursuit. Don't underestimate your accomplishments that have given you the right to be here today. Early morning, before sunrise, traveling to your clinical sites, anticipating what types of patients that you might encounter that day. Late nights at the library, perhaps Starbucks, or simply at the breakfast table with textbooks, workbooks, and yes, hundreds of PowerPoint slides, preparing for your weekly Monday morning exam. And you all know what I mean when I say hundreds of PowerPoint slides. Yes, you succeeded with focus and determination, and you should be applauded. You will enter professional practice with the skills, abilities, and competencies that you have acquired here at San Bernardino Valley College. So what's next? Graduates, I challenge you to go into the profession with integrity. Integrity, by definition, is the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. Be faithful and honest in your work. Be as you want others to perceive you to be, and you will shine like gold. Your coworkers and supervisors will place confidence because of your trustworthiness. Your straightforward and honest dealings will win the respect of all that you encounter. If you have integrity in small things, you will be entrusted with greater responsibilities. Graduates, go with integrity. And as you go with integrity, I urge you to go with compassion. You will be serving our society's most vulnerable population. Individuals with mental health disorders and psychiatric diagnoses are vulnerable to joblessness, homelessness, chemical dependency, physical, emotional, and sexual abuse, and the list goes on and on. So please go with compassion. having the sensitivity to understand and appropriately share the feelings of your patients. Treat your patients as you would want your loved ones to be treated. The practice of compassion should not be underestimated, for when you administer your care with compassion, you will instill in your patients hope. So, please go with compassion.
So for perfect attendance through all the time I just mentioned, Vanessa Gaylor. David Isaac Martinez. Denise Negrete. I'm sorry, Desiree Negrete. Orlando Salgado. Laura Sotelo Romero. Isela Torreblanca. Congratulations to you all. That was quite an accomplishment. You may be seated. That is Sayan. Regina Burse. Ananda Burson. Kanika Chakma. Ethan Diaz. Desiree Gonzalez. Marina Griffin. Walter Harrison. Hannah Jimenez. David Isaac Martinez. Jenna Lee Nall. Desiree Negrete. Tammy Newman. Melissa Lane Perez. Rosemary Sandoval. Laura Sotelo Romero. Virginia Geraldine Terrahoran. Taviana Ellis Webb. Congratulations for your accomplishments. You may be seated.
Okay, we have Oluwan Toyin Des Sonia. And now we have Adam Val Alvarado. Take a serious one now. Okay. Regina Burse. Ananda Burson. Kanika Chakma. Ethan Diaz. Frederico Garcia. Vanessa Gaylord.
Hi, my name is Ethan. So I'm going to do the Psychiatric Technician Pledge. So can I have my classmates please stand? Having developed an awareness of the dignity encompassed in the field of psychiatric technology, and of my responsibility because of specialized training in the therapeutic techniques utilized in the promotion of mental health. Now, students, please repeat after me. I pledge myself to uphold the integrity and human dignity of those entrusted in my care, and protect against humiliation, insult, or injury without regard to race, color, or creed. To inspire hope and confidence, giving assistance with understanding and friendliness, in finding realistic and meaningful living, to continue by developing professional competence, complementing scientific study, improvement of therapeutic techniques, and maintaining high standards of leadership in the field of psychiatric technology. Written by Barnford Franklin. Thank you.
Great pleasure to present to you the Psychiatric Technician class of December 2022. Have a good day.
The